Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and easy Japanese appetizer. Hi, I'm Jill, but you probably know me as this old gal. So I'm going to make some Japanese blistered shishito peppers. Have you heard of shishito peppers before? They're not that hot. Actually, they're quite mild, but it's said that 1 in about 20 peppers might be hot, so just be on the lookout. But really, don't worry, they're not that hot. They're delicious. So I've got 8 ounces of shishito peppers here. Now, I have a hard time finding them at my local grocery store, but the Asian markets are usually a good bet that they'll have them in stock. So you can see what they look like. They're kind of long with a stem, which is about 1.5 inches long. Don't cut the stems off. You're going to want to rinse your peppers really well to get off any debris that might be on them. And then take a rag or a paper towel or whatever you want to use to dry your peppers. Make sure they're nice and dry because we're going to be adding some oil and you want to make sure the oil will stick. So after you've done that, put your peppers back into the bowl and now we're going to get started. Before preparing your peppers, set your air fryer to 400 degrees to preheat. Drizzle 2 teaspoons of olive oil over the dry shishito peppers and mix the oil with the peppers so that all the peppers are completely covered in oil. Place the oiled peppers into the air fryer basket. Spread the peppers out so they are in an even layer. Now if you're using an air fryer oven, spread the peppers out evenly on an air fryer tray. And now we're gonna put them in the air fryer and cook them for 7 minutes. At the halfway mark, we're gonna shake the peppers. If your air fryer only goes up to 390 degrees, you may need to cook them for an additional minute or 2. We're wanting the peppers to quickly blister and not overcook and become soft, so keep your eyes on them. You don't want them to burn. The peppers will still be green with little blisters. So now we're going to finish cooking. Let's take a peek and see if they're done. They certainly are. Look how wonderful they look. Very nice. All right, now we're going to serve some up. So what you want to do after you've cooked the peppers, you can either put them in a bowl or in individual plates. We're going to use, I like to use applewood salt. You can use regular sea salt. So give them a little bit of salt, like that, just as much as you like. And you can take a lemon or a lime and give them a little bit of a drizzle. So I think I got a seed. Yep, seed came out. So we're going to move that seed to the side. There it is. Looks wonderful. So you can eat them as is, or some people like to use a little sweet chili sauce, which is very, very delicious. Another thing you can do if you want to make them a little bit fancy, you can take some Parmesan cheese, just grate a little bit over the top. Grated Asiago cheese would work well here too. Use as much cheese as you like. Look how good this looks. Oh, this is a big one. And take a little dip. See how it is. Mmm. This is so good, and the calories are barely anything at all. I'm gonna take another taste. I do like it with the Parmesan cheese. It's really good. Mmm. Not hot at all. Very mild. So good. I hope you liked this video, and if you want to keep seeing my videos, please comment below and give me a thumbs up. Please, I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook at This Old Gal. Bye everyone. We'll see you next time.